Scotchman Industries manufactures ironworkers from 40 to 150 ton capacity. We offer three different concepts of ironworkers: the fully integrated tool concept, the component tool concept, and the dual operator concept. With the fully integrated style, the functions of punching, shearing, notching, angle shearing, and on some models, round and square rod shearing are built into the machine permanently. There are additional component tools available for the punch station, including brakes, channel shear, pipe notcher, picket tool, and tube shear. With a component tooling style machine, the only permanent features built in are the punch and flat bar shear. Please note that all Scotchman ironworkers are supplied with an angle shear as standard equipment. The balance of the tools can be purchased at any time. The dual operator machines combine the features of both models in a machine that can be used by two operators at the same time. All three concepts are very popular. It's just a matter of personal preference. In this presentation, we will be demonstrating the 5014 TM, a 50-ton 3-station turret machine with a 4-inch angle shear, 14-inch plate shear, and a 2.5 by 3 by 5/16 inch rectangle notcher as standard equipment. The 3-station turret allows the operator to change between the 3 installed tools in seconds. Scotchman Industries has provided the latest state-of-the-art in control panels for their ironworkers. This control panel includes a main disconnect switch that allows you to comply with OSHA's lockout-tagout requirements. The tonnage of all ironworkers is determined by the machine's punching capacity. It is very important when comparing ironworkers to compare the capacities of all the machine stations, not just the punch. One other thing to watch when you are comparison shopping is the rated tonnage versus the rated capacity. You will often see machines rated with 50 tons of pressure, but the rated capacity will be up to 10 or 15% below that. At Scotchman Industries, we consider our machines to be as strong or stronger in every position, and the rated tonnage is the actual working tonnage in the punch. The 5014 TM will punch a 1 1/4 inch hole in 1/2 inch material, and up to a 2 1/4 inch hole in 1/4 inch material with optional holders. Also available from Scotchman is access to our special tooling department. This department devotes 90% of their time to special applications. If we don't have the precise punch and die on the shelf, we can build it for you. All sizes and shapes up to 2/4 inch are available if you supply us with a diagram of your needs. The use of the stroke controls will greatly improve the production you can receive from these machines. By using the stroke controls, you can eliminate the free travel time before the tool reaches the part. The angle shear on this model will shear up to 4 by 4 by 3/8 inch at 90 degrees and 2 by 2 by 1/4 inch at 45 degrees. The angle shear will give you a distortion-free cut. Should your application call for an equal leg angle, an optional top angle blade is available. Changing blades when you switch from equal to an equal leg angle is very simple. Just lift out one blade and set in the other, and you're ready to resume work. To miter angle up to 2 inches on this machine, lift the guard and line the angle iron up to the guides and make the cut. All Scotchman ironworkers have a hydraulic bypass feature. If the machine cannot shear the material presented to it, the hydraulic bypass will open, preventing any damage to the machine. This tells you to move the material closer to the pivot point, or you have exceeded the machine's stated capacity. The 5014 TM with standard blades will shear 3/4 by 4 inches and 1/2 by 6 inches. With optional saber blades on, the 5014 TM will shear up to 1/2 by 10 and 1/4 by 14 inches. With this crank-type hold-down device, you can shear 14 inches on line without any movement of the material. Rectangle notcher. The maximum notching applications are 2 1/2 by 3 by 5/16 inch and V notches of 2 by 2 by 5/16 inch. Our rod shear angle shear combination will shear round and square rod up to 3/4 inch and crop off cut angle iron up to 2 by 2 by 1/4 inch. Our optional 6 by 6 90-degree notcher can do a big job for you. This tool will notch 6 by 6 inches in 1/8 inch and 3 by 3 inches in 1/4 inch material. The pipe notcher can be installed next to the angle shear to add a 5th tool station. For making hand railing, our pipe notcher is a must. We carry Schedule 40 pipe dies from 3/4 inch to 2 inches in stock. Dies for tubing and Schedule 80 pipe are also available. Simply insert the pipe into the die, cycle the machine, then rotate the pipe 180 degrees and cycle the machine again. Now you have a perfect saddle for welding. Another common use for the tool table is braking. This machine will accept a 12-inch brake that will bend up to 1/4 inch plate with the standard dies. Optional dies are available from Scotchman or brake die suppliers. For you ornamental iron people, this picket tool is a necessity. Simply put the square tube into the dies and cycle the machine. This tool will crush and form the tube, giving you a perfect picket point every time. This optional square tube shear will cut up to 1-inch 16-gauge tubing with minimal distortion. It mounts on the tool table and along with the picket tool is a high-volume tool for security fences and other applications that require the use of square tubing. There will be many occasions when large runs of flat, rod, and angle must be cut the same length. Serious consideration should be given to this optional back gauge and conveyor system. The back gauge will swivel to all stations on the iron worker for quick, easy setup. When combined with the standard stroke control, you can make small pieces out of big ones in a hurry. This back gauge is provided standard as a mechanical stop for setting your desired lengths. The conveyor comes standard with rollers for the plate shear and tooling station. These optional tools will greatly increase productivity and reduce operator fatigue. A real value from Scotchman are the optional tooling packages. There are 2 different tooling packages available for this machine. They consist of some of the most popular optional tooling, gauging tables, punches, and dies. These packages can offer savings of over $600 over purchasing these items individually. In the last few minutes, we have demonstrated several of the more popular uses for our iron workers. In our travels around the world, we have observed many individual ideas put into use on the tool table area that have consolidated the user's machine needs and saved them thousands of dollars. Please take time to consider the advantages of our tabletop tooling concept. This may be the only machine you need to set up your own fabrication center. Thank you for your time, and we hope that Scotchman Industries can help solve your manufacturing needs in the near future. We have a strong dealer network and very capable factory representatives ready to assist you in selecting the machine and tooling to fill your needs, both before and after the sale. When you purchase a Scotchman iron worker, you will also receive a 20-minute safety video detailing the proper use of the machine and all of the available tooling. These videos are very beneficial for instructing your present employees and also new people hired into your workforce at a later date. If you have any questions that did not get covered on this tape, please call our toll-free telephone number, 1-800-843-8844, and our experienced staff will be happy to answer them for you.